Hello friends, welcome back to my e-learning channel. I am Shubham and today I have brought you the second part of solid states in which I am going to cover one of the major topic which is crystal system and Bravais lattice. If you haven't watched the first part yet, please check out the link given in description below. So before starting the actual topic, let's have a look at some previous important area as it is going to help us to understand the topic better. I hope many of us are aware about the concept of unit cells. If not, I will share some insight of the same. Unit cell is nothing but the smallest repeating unit of the crystalline solid, which is a combination of lattice and bases. So based on the position of atoms or the ions, there are four basic types of unit cell. The first one is the primitive or the simple unit cell, where all the constituent atoms will be present at corners only. Next type is body-centered unit cell. In this type, one constituent particle is present at the center of the body in addition to the corner particles. Third type is face-centered unit cell. This type of unit cell consists of particles at the center of the faces in addition to the corner particles. As shown in the figure, you can see total 6 number of particles are present at the center of the face of unit cell along with the 8 particles at the corners. And the last type is base-centered unit cell. This type of unit cell is similar to the face-centered unit cell, but the difference is that particles are present at the center of any two opposite faces in addition to the corner particles. Now we will learn about the crystal system and Bravais lattice. To understand this concept, first consider the space lattice where points are arranged in a particular pattern in a two-dimensional plane. If we connect any four or more points, we could get different kinds of unit cells. But are all the different possible combinations called as unit cells or crystal system? The answer is no, because there are only 14 ways by which we could get well arranged three-dimensionally ordered symmetric structure. These 14 ways are nothing but the 14 kinds of space lattice which is mathematically proven. So we can call them as a Bravais lattice or 14 kinds of unit cell. And based on the axial spacing, that is the length of the edge and the angle between their axes, Bravais lattice is classified into 7 types, which is called as crystal system. In general, we can say crystal system is based on the shape of the lattice, which are cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, rhombohedral, monoclinic, triclinic, and hexagonal. First system is cubic system. There are three kinds of unit cell in cubic system, which are simple cubic unit cell, body centered cubic unit cell, and face centered cubic unit cell. Before to learn more about these types, let's see the terminology of the axial spacing and the angle between them. The length along x, y and z axis are denoted by b, c and a, whereas the angle between x and y axis is alpha, angle between y and z axis is beta, and the angle between x and z axis is gamma. So in this case or the type of crystal system, all the axes are having same length, that is A is equals to B is equals to C, and the angle between each axis is 90 degree, hence all are perpendicular to each other. As length of all axes is equal, so instead of referring their lengths as A, B and C, we can just call it A for all the sides because it is cubic crystal. Second system is orthorhombic system, in which all the axes are having different length but the angle between them is 90 degree, so they are perpendicular. Orthorhombic system consists of four kinds of crystal lattice. First one is primitive or simple, second body centered, third one is the face centered, and the last one base centered. Simple orthorhombic cell has particles at corners only. Body center orthorhombic has atoms or the particles at center of the body in addition to the corners. Face center orthorhombic cell has particles at the corners and at the center of the faces, whereas base center orthorhombic cell has particles at center of any two opposite faces and at the corners. Third one is the tetragonal system. This system can be classified into only two types of crystal lattice as primitive or simple tetragonal unit cell and body central tetragonal unit cell. As you can see, the length of x-axis and z-axis is equal, that is A, and the length of y-axis is C, which is different than both of them. and all are perpendicular. So we can say in this system any two axes of the cell are equal and the third axis will have a different length, and the all axes are perpendicular because the angle between them is 90 degree. So in mathematical terms, A is equals to B is not equals to C, and alpha is equals to beta is equals to gamma is equals to 90 degree. Next one is the monoclinic system, which consists of two kinds of unit cells, simple monoclinic unit cell and the second one base centered monoclinic unit cell. We already know the structural differences of these types based on the position of the atoms. In these types, length of the edges are different, but the two of them are perpendicular to each other. So we can say that A is not equal to B is not equal to C, and the angle alpha is equals to angle gamma, which is 90 degree, but not equals to angle beta. Fifth system is rhombohedral. As the name suggests, this unit cell has shape of rhombus, where all the sides are of equal length, but the angle between them is not 90 degree. That is, none of the axes is perpendicular to any other. It has only one kind of unit cell, which is simple, having atoms at the corners only. Now there are only two systems are remaining to discuss. If the length of the edges and the angle between them both are different, that is, each axis has a different length and the incline at a different angle, then the such system is called as a triclinic system. Like rhombohedral system, this system also consists of only one kind of unit cell, which is primitive or the simple unit cell. So mathematically we can say the length which are A, B, C are not equal. A is not equals to B, not equals to C, and the angles alpha not equals to beta is not equals to gamma, and none of them is 90 degree. The last system is hexagonal system, which consists of the only primitive kind of unit cell, which is known as simple hexagonal unit cell, which has particles at the corners only. This unit cell has 4 axes shown in image with the different colors, out of which 3 are equal and separated by equal angle lies on the same plane. And the fourth one is which is vertical and the perpendicular to all of them. Here the angle between adjacent edges is 120 degree, and the angle which is alpha and beta are the 90 degrees. Adjacent edges are having equal length, that is A equals to B, but not equal to vertical axis, that is C. So here we are finishing the crystal system and the Bravais lattice. If you are having any doubt and you want me to add something, do comment below. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.